Hello guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So today is July 15, 2024, and as you see, I have a package. So today we're gonna do unboxing, Charis. So this package is a present or a gift from the one we handle or assist their visa application. And this is from the couple from Daryl and Samantha, the one we help on their visa application for FRV or Family Reunion Visa Unborn Child. So last June, she arrived safe and sound here in Germany, Samantha. So sabi ni Samantha, when she got her visa last May naman, nag-travel siya June, di ba? So, na-share na namin yung story nila sa ating vlog during her success immigration stories last June. And nasabi ni Miss Samantha sa akin, Ma, baka gusto nyo ng something or from Philippines na pwedeng, syempre, so this couple really appreciate our effort with them as we handle their visa application and guiding them during their process sa Philippines. So they send us something, and I said to them, you don't need to do that because it's our job din naman to do it with you and doing the process with you. But then Samantha said, no, it's okay. Maybe like something from the Philippines that you miss. So I said, oh, this part, I cannot say no. Of course, because it's been turning 2 years that I didn't return to Philippines. So for me, I just miss some food that, or something, product that only in the Philippines I can buy. So it's really, really a good one. And I just want to say, thank you again. So let's unbox na and let's see what inside. So thank you again, Miss Sam and Daryl, for sending this package. We really appreciate it. And so let's check first. Careful guys kasi ano to. Ingat sa ating. Literally, you don't need to do that kasi talagang appreciate naman namin and we're really happy na nakatulong kami, lalo na sa mga walang idea and first time applicants sila. So they just only happy that they send something like this. Pero yung product, of course, I cannot say no. Philippines eh. Of course, I miss some things as well in the Philippines, di ba? So I'm really happy na they do it. Another couple. Not every time we have like this. It's really the first time who sent us something. And I'm really happy. So this is the first time. But yeah, so it's really our first time receiving this kind of package. So just, I really appreciate it. So I share it in the vlog. Kasi, di ba, yung effort namin, at least parang na-appreciate nila. So they do this kind of thing. Oh, mga plastic. Plastic! Plastic pala. Here. Wow. There's no more, guys. So ito yun, ito. Let's see what I request from Philippines. Oh, grabe yung balot. Surprise talaga. Oy! Oh. So, yan. Ayan. Nagpabili pala ako ng ano. Ayan, mga cubes. Pork. Grabe, oh. Sira-sira na. Ayan, tanggal na sa package. Mga shrimp. Ay, mga nor cubes. Sakto. Chicken. So, chicken. Ayan. Bulad. Danggit. Teka. Danggit. At yung ayun. Talaga, wala na kasi akong frame. Ay, naku. Ayan. Uli. Ito. Uli, baka naman. Galing po Philippines yan, guys. Oh, ayan, may stock na ulit ako. And white flour. Mahal kaya guys ng white flour or sa Amazon. Check ko. Buti na lang. Magkano lang. Alam mo magkano sa Amazon? 30 euro. Tapos ipikasent. Yay. Ipikasent. So yan yung sabi ko kay Sam na padala sa atin. Sabi ko kahit yung ito lang at saka yung important ito. Tsaka kahit fish. Danggit. Dinala na akong danggit. And shrimp. Ayan, mga nor cubes. So, yan yung ating unboxing from our, the one we handled their documents. So, thank you again, Sam, for sending this, Sam and Daryl. So, God bless inyong panganganak soon, lalo na kay Samantha. Ingat. And yeah, this is not every time that you receive like this, but really, we really appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Kasi, di ba, kahit ganito lang yan, you can only buy that in Philippines. And I'm really happy for the one sending this. So yeah, thank you again. And we're gonna end now the vlog. And sana na-inspire din yung iba. And just a cute Mary. So yeah, we're gonna end now. And thank you again, Samantha and Daryl, for sending this. We really appreciate. So God bless and have a great weekend or have a great day. Tschüss.